The world's biggest tech battle is happening right now, guys. China and America are fighting for AI control, and this isn't just about money. It's about who rules the future. America leads in private AI investment. They spent around $109 billion in 2024. That's 12 times more than China's $9.3 billion. But here's the twist. China's government spent $98 billion in this year alone, so they're playing a different game. America focuses on breakthrough tech. Companies like OpenAI and Google create the smartest AI models. They want to build the best robots and computers. China takes a different path though. They use AI everywhere. Face recognition, smart cities, online shopping. They don't just build AI, they live with it. This isn't just about better technology, it's about control. America wants to stay the tech leader, so they block China from buying advanced computer chips. China responds by making their own chips, and they invested $47.5 billion in semiconductors. The winner gets huge power. They control global internet systems, they decide how AI works worldwide. They influence banking, healthcare, and defense systems. This affects every person on Earth. Right now, America leads in AI research. They have the best universities and the biggest tech companies. China leads in AI usage. They have more data from 1.4 billion people. They test AI systems faster with fewer rules. Both countries are winning in different ways. America builds the brain and China builds the body. The real question isn't who wins, it's what happens to everyone else when the dust settles. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick breakdown. If you want to see more videos like this one, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.